Let's clean this place up. There we go, that looks a lot better. Good morning and welcome back to the House Edition. Today, we're going to get started by cleaning up some of this dirt and placing it out in the yard. The customer has a spot that he'd like me to place it to kind of level out the yard. So let's get started. First, I'm going to try to remove the sonotube from around the concrete. Wrong tool for the right job. Okay, this looks good. Now to do the other three. So now that I got these footers cleaned up, I'm going to go ahead and start moving the main pile of dirt. So I may call it quits today after moving all that dirt. I don't want to hurt my back too much. I'd rather come back tomorrow full force and be able to get right into the framing. So I hope to see you in the next clip where we'll resume framing by setting the 6x6s and then start leveling out the LVLs. So I'll see you then.